Fine, good morning to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. So I hope by God's grace you all are safe. So pray to God daily for your health, your studies, your food, your parents, each and everything. Okay students, so warm greetings to you all students. So welcome to our today's online class students. So this period is computer science for you. So please all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. Students, all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. Students, all of you sit in a place and watch the videos and listen carefully what are things I am teaching. Okay students. So now we are studying about chapter 5. So what's the title of the chapter students? Working with Windows operating system, isn't it? So in this chapter, lot of things you have studied regarding operating system. Then what do you mean by the desktop? What do you mean by files, folders? How you need to create the file? How you need to create folder? How you need to copy the file? Isn't it? Lot of things you have studied. This and all basic thing. So today you are going to study about deleting files and folders. Okay. So yesterday I have studied about what? Copy and paste, that is moving files and folders, isn't it? So what are things you have studied? Copy and paste, then cut and paste, as well as from the removable disk also copy and paste, cut and paste, as well as send to option, isn't it? So today you are going to study about deleting files and folders. Okay, so this example already I have said. So when you have deleted the file, automatically it will go to the recycle bin. So similar to the mobile phone. So in your mobile phone also, when you have deleted the file, automatically it will move to where students? Recently deleted, isn't it? So if you need to recover the file, means you can able to restore it. Same way in a computer also, unknowingly or knowingly you have deleted the file, so automatically the file will go to where students? In the recycle bin. Okay, so next we are going to study about, so what are the steps you need to follow to delete a particular file. Okay, so to delete a file or folder, so what are the steps you need to follow? Okay, so first you need to select the file or folder. For example, you are going to delete one folder or you are going to delete one file. So first you need to click or select the file or folder. Okay, so which folder or file you are going to delete, so that folder you need to click at first. Okay, then so after first you need to select the folder. Now after selecting, you should right click on the folder. Keep the cursor point on that folder and you should right click. Okay, already you have studied. So once you have right click means lot of option, that is pop-up menu will open, isn't it? So from the pop-up menu, you should choose delete. Okay student, from the pop-up menu you should choose what? Delete. Otherwise you need to go to the file or delete. Okay, otherwise you can press the delete key from the keyboard. Okay, what are the steps? What are the three ways are there to delete a file, students? First you need to click the or select the file which one you need to delete. Okay, then keep the cursor on there, right click. Then once you right click, a lot of menus, that pop-up menu will open. So in that pop-up menu you need to select delete. So click that delete, the file will get deleted. Otherwise you can go to the file option and then you need to give which one? Delete option. Otherwise you need to press the delete button in your keyboard. Okay students, so once you have clicked the delete button, automatically the file will move to where, student? Recycle bin. Okay students, okay. Yes students, listen carefully. So what are the steps you need to follow to delete a file or folder? For example, listen carefully. So I am going to delete this one, this folder. Okay, so what's the step I need to follow, students? First you need to right click. Okay, so once you are right click, what I said, the lot of menus will be coming, isn't it? This is a pop-up menu. So from this pop-up menu, what you need to do? You need to select which option, students? Which option? Delete. See, so whether now the file is there? No. So once you have deleted the file, automatically it will move to where? Recycle bin. Now we can see whether the file is there in recycle bin. See, whether the file is there in the recycle bin? Yes. So if you need to restore, means you can able to restore it. Okay, so now I have select from where, students? Click the right click and make the delete option. Same way you can click the delete button from your keyboard also. Understood, students? Okay, so next one is the recycle bin. Okay, so what do you mean by recycle bin? So recycle bin is just like a folder. Okay, so this recycle bin is a folder. It will keep all the deleted files by the user. Okay, the user is deleting some file. What are the files? Or maybe audio, video, or whatever maybe. So the user is deleting some file. Automatically it will go to our store in where, students? In the recycle bin. Okay, so recycle bin also, more number of files if you are deleted means all the files will be there. Okay, from the recycle bin also you can able to recover the file. What do you mean by recover or restore? Once again you get a chance to recover or restore the file. Okay, so you can also have the opportunity to restore or recover the file from the recycle bin. Okay, so without restoring you cannot able to recover the file. Okay, so for that, so what are the steps you need to follow to recover the file from the recycle bin? Okay, now we are going to study what are the steps you need to follow to recover the file from the recycle bin. Okay, so first you should open the recycle bin. So what are the first step, students? You should open the recycle bin. Okay, then from the recycle bin you should, which file you need to restore? So in the recycle bin already have deleted more number of files are there, means from that, so which file you need to restore or which number of file you need to restore, that file you need to click. Okay, so which file you need to restore, that file you need to click. Okay, then first you need to select the file, then right click on the file. Okay, then you need to right click on the file. Okay, so always if you are right click means a pop-up menu will open. Okay, so from the pop-up menu you should select which option, student? Restore option. Understood, students? So if you need to restore, more number of files are there. Okay, more number of files are there means you need to select the whatever file you need. One file means you can select one. Two file means you can select two file. More number of file means more number of file you can select. So which are the files you need to restore, all the files you can select, and you need to click right click and give which option, students? Restore. Okay, more number of file means you need to give restore all items. Okay, then so once you have restored, now your recycle bin becomes empty. Understood, students? What do you mean by recycle bin? So recycle bin is a special folder. So it's a folder to keep all the deleted files, isn't it? So from the recycle bin it's an opportunity or you have a chance to recover the file also. So to restore the file, what are steps you need to follow, students? First you need to open the recycle bin, then you need to select which file you need to restore, then you need to select the file and right click and you need to give the restore option. If more number of files are there means you need to right click and give restore all items. Okay, once you have restore all the item there, now you will get which one, students? Empty recycle bin. Okay, so listen. So what are the steps you need to follow to restore, student? First you need to open the recycle bin. Okay, see, now I have opened the recycle bin. So already you have deleted, no? That folder is there inside the recycle bin. Okay, now only one folder is there. So see, what you need to right click. So I have selected and right click. So which option I need to give, students? Restore. See, so from which place you are deleted the file, that place the file will be stored now. Now you will get the empty recycle bin. More number of item means you need to select all the things and you need to give restore all. See, from where I have deleted, here I have deleted. See, the file will be here. Understood, students? What do you mean by recycle? How you need to, what are the steps you need to follow to restore all the things? Okay. Then next one is creating shortcuts on desktop. Okay, so now you are going to study about creating shortcuts. You are going to create some shortcuts in the desktop. Okay, so you can able to create shortcut for all the files, folders or icons or softwares, whatever maybe. Okay, you can able to create shortcut for files, folders and whatever maybe. So if you have created shortcut icons on the desktop mean, it is very easy for you to open the file. So no need to go here and there and search. So automatically you can go to the desktop, double click that one and you can able to restore it, isn't it? So what are the steps you need to follow to create a shortcut file on the desktop? Okay, first you need to right click on the file or the folder, same way. Okay, same way you need to, which file you need to make as a shortcut, that file you need to right click. Okay, then listen carefully, select send to. Okay, what you need to select, students? Select send to. Okay, from the pop-up menu you need to select send to. Then so from the send you need to select create shortcut option. Okay, from the send you need to select which option, students? Create shortcut. Okay, so once you have select the create shortcut means the which folder you have creating shortcut, that folder will be appear on the desktop with a shortcut symbol. Understood, students? So what do you mean shortcut? Shortcut, you can able to create any file or folder that will be displayed on the desktop, so that from if you are creating shortcut means it is very easy task for you to open the file. So what are the steps you need to follow to make a shortcut? First you need to select the folder or file, then right click on that one, then from the right click menu you should select what send to, or from the send to you need to select which one, students? Sub menu, create shortcut sub menu. Okay, then once you have clicked the create shortcut sub menu, the folder or file automatically created in the desktop with the shortcut symbol. Okay, students, see, so for example they are going to create shortcut for the symbol music or something. Okay, so for what you need to select, students? Send to. Okay, send to, in the desktop option what you need to give? Create shortcut. Okay, which option you need to give? Create shortcut. So once you are given this option, so you will get a shortcut of that file. Okay, students? Okay. So next heading is shutdown or logging of a computer. Okay, so this is the last topic in this chapter. You have studied what you mean by desktop, how you need to create file or folder, then how you need to copy the file or folder, how you need to delete, then how you need to send the file to a pen drive, etc. So now you are going to off your computer. That's the shutdown. Okay, so simply if you are going to switch off the fan means how you will do? So just you need to switch off the fan, isn't it? So but computer it's not just like that. So once you have off the computer means you need to shut down. That means what are the process or programs running in the computer, all the things you need to close it, that is shut down. Okay, so shutdown or logging of a computer. So either you can, for that shutdown, two options will be there. Either you can log off or shutdown. Shutdown and log off may be same option only, same meaning. Okay, so listen carefully. To shut down your computer, from where you need to choose. Okay, so next to the start button, have you seen? So next to the start button, the shutdown option will be there. Okay, shutdown. Once you have clicked the this start button means this menu will open. So in this menu, have you seen the shutdown button will be there? Okay, so in the shutdown button, the arrow mark, if you click means lot of options will be there. Okay, what are the options? Switch user, log off, lock, restart, sleep and hibernate. So now you are going to study about each and everything in detail. Okay, so once you need to click the start button, so in the start button you need to choose which one, shutdown. So in the shutdown, lot of the option is there: switch user, log off, lock, restart, sleep and hibernate. Okay, so what do you mean by shutdown? Okay, so what do you mean by shutdown mean? So now you are going to off your computer. Okay, now you are going to off your computer. Okay, so to off the computer, for example, you are opening word file, you are seeing movies, playing audio songs, etc. So lot of things are running in your computer. So before you are going to shut down, you should close all the application. That's the first thing. You should close what are the applications running on the computer. You should close all the things. Okay, then so afterwards you should choose which one. Go to the start button and give the shutdown option. Otherwise you should go to the log off option. So once you have saved all the file means, so automatically it will go to the shutdown. Sometimes if you have typed the file, you didn't save the file, unknowingly you didn't save the file, but you are giving shutdown option. So at that time, if you are giving shutdown option means it will ask, so this file will not save, whether you need to save the file, otherwise you need to force shutdown. The system will ask, so you can save the file and it will give the shutdown option. Okay, so you can able to save the data. And the shutdown means, so all closing all the application, you are going to off the computer. Okay, students. So next one is switch to another, switch user. Okay, so switch user means, listen, sometimes you are using some programs and applications, you are not closing that one, so you need to move again, you need to go to that application. So only I am telling, so without saving the file or closing the file, if you are giving the shutdown option means it will ask whether you need to save the file. Yes, if you need to save the file means you need to switch to that, or you need to move to that application. That is called what? Switch user. Okay, log off. Next one is log off. Log off is the same meanings of the shutdown. So you need to close all the application and you are going to close your program or close the computer. That is log off. Okay, students. So next one is lock. So lock means you are all familiar. Mobile phones also we are giving locks, isn't it? What's the use of lock? It's a personal, isn't it? So only you can able to use your mobile phone. Same way in your computer also you can able to give lock. Okay, for example, inside you are storing some personal information, but you are not in that place, you are moving some other place for 15 minutes. So at that time the lock option will be there. If you give the lock option means only you can able to open it, other third person cannot able to open that one. That's the lock. Okay, next one is the restart. What's the normal meaning of restart? Reboot. So if you give the mobile also, it will be there, no, restart option or reset, same only. So restart means once again it will, the computer will start and all the applications will open or what are things need, so it will open. That is restart. Then sleep. Okay, sleep means listen. So your computer, what are the things, for example you will upload some videos in the YouTube, or you are say watching something, then for example something you are uploading or anything, it will took lot of time. So full time the desktop need to be that power is there means you will get, you will charge more power, maybe it's a laptop or normal desktop. So if you give the sleep mode means, so your desktop power will get off, only the desktop will sleep, but what are the processes running inside, the process will run. Understood, students? So avoid, or to avoid the recurring of more power, so you are giving in a computer as a sleep mode. So what are the process will be running, that process will run, but the your desktop will be in sleep condition. Okay, next one is hibernate. So hibernate also same thing only, sleep and hibernate also same option. So hibernate is present mostly in laptops. Sleep option will be available in normal desktop also, but hibernate option will be what, in laptop. So it will also, if you are giving hibernate mode means what are the process running inside the laptop, it will run, but in a low power, it won't require more power or more charge. Understood? Understood, students? So what are the things you have studied? So after this chapter get over. This is the last topic in this chapter. So till that this chapter get over, the next class. So next week class I think. So next week, so I'll mark and give question answers for this chapter. Okay, student. So today what are things you have studied? Deleting files and folders, then recycle bin, then this option shutdown log. So today's study portion is recycle bin. You should study, that is very important question. Okay, recycle bin, then shutdown, lock, restart, sleep, hibernate. This and all you need to study. This is a study portion for it. Okay, students. Thank you. Take care. Well, thank you.